Hey, what's going on everybody? Thank you for tuning into another JD channel video in which today we're going to be assembling another item I bought from Amazon. I bought a shelf to try to put my clothes together, so let's open it up because it was around $30 and the box doesn't look promising because it's so small. We'll see. So I got a clothing rack. It's supposed to be pretty tall and also supposed to be able to get 2 rows, but judging from the box this looks kind of small. So let's see how this goes. Let's open it up and start assembling it. Alright, so I got a pair of scissors to go open it up. It says fragile, but I would hope it wouldn't be. Let's see how small this thing is. Bars seem a little less big, so alright, maybe it'll be okay. 2, 3 sets, 4 sets. Plastic. I don't know if I like that. Or the wheels. And it has wheels. Casters, another plastic. And the instruction booklet. Alright. Seems like you don't need screws in here. So let's give it a try. Alright, so first it says to grab, where is it? These 2. We're going to get 2 rods to put inside it. How big are these rods? Look like they're really long ones. So D is 2 ends. Interesting. So it doesn't even tell you what color is which. This one is D. Guessing they're black. Now I can't tell if they're bigger or smaller. Though they have metal rods inside them, so just gather what parts we have. So these are the 2, because there's 4 times, I'm guessing this is C then. Oh, even B there's. Okay. Gotta figure out which is which then. Let's 2 of this. 2 of this. So I'm going to redo that because it was out of focus. So in the instructions here it says to use C with the plastic bars. Process of elimination, I figured out was the black bars, which I guess I put them in tightly. So what you need to do is put the skinny black bars through this panel, which is shaped like this. I just actually deleted the video, but I realized I can't even take them back out, so go figure. So it's not that big, but as you can tell, see, it's the skinny ones, because you're going to see a bunch of bars in there. These are really skinny black bars. There's only 2 of them, and then it goes in here. And then the following step, see if I can focus in on here. So it says you need 4 bars. You're going to notice that there's 2 sets of these. Make sure this is in focus. 2 sets of bars with 2 metal and 2 black ones. You're going to use the black ones in the holes here. And there's 4 of them. We'll put this more in focus there. Oh, a little more. Sorry. Just trying to do this in a confined space. See, so you have 4 bars there, and 4 holes. I'm going to use the black bars in those. That's these in. So the black bars would be the thicker black bars, these. which there's 4 of them, would be marked as letter C. Yeah, these are letter C. They had the 2 chrome bars inside, and the chrome bars in each. I'm gonna knock them in here. These are the ones that'll fit in there. You'll kind of feel it pop as it goes in. See? So this is what it initially looked like, where it had chrome bars inside the black one. So you have 4 of them, and then you have 4 chrome bars for later. And make sure that they're even. Okay, now step 3 says you're going to take letter A and put it into something. So let me find that. See if I can make it brighter. So you're going to take these 2 here, and take these 2 plastic pieces which look very unique. And you're going to put the 2, see which is A. Well, based on this, I would say that A is going to be chrome. My mistake, actually, going to put A into some of these. You're going to take 2 of these for step 3, the L-shaped items, and you're going to use 2 chrome bars that were by themselves in the packaging for step 3. And since these are sealed by themselves, you know that these are the ones that they list as A. You're going to put that like this. So you're going to put it facing this way, put it in. Make sure. Yes. See, so as it shows here, this is, you're going to put like this. You're going to do this 2 times. So you're going to put it in an L shape like this. Make sure it's all the way in. Use the floor if you need it. Okay, now for step 4, those 4 bars that you had left over from the inside of, let's see if I could see it right here, the inside of the black ones, the inside of these, there were 4 bars inside it. For step 4, you're going to use it to put it on here. Now, to attach it, you need those other, there's 2 more plastic pieces. You're going to put it here. And then, see, basically these pieces, I'm going to put it with the locks facing inside. See that there's locks here. You're going to make the locks face inside and make sure that they're down. Let's see. Now, you're going to take the chrome bars. See the 4 chrome bars you have left over? You're going to insert those into here. Oh, I get it. So then it's, and since this is adjustable, it'll just slide in, but then the lock will hold it in place. for now. This is the other bar. I don't know why I didn't ask to put the casters first, but put these in. Sweet. Okay. See, and those are adjustable. We'll fix that later to the correct height. Okay. And now for the bar you assembled, you're going to put one on the front, one in the back. This is from earlier. But you can tell if it's the right, if you did correctly, if it matches. Should. Okay. There's one. And I don't know why it didn't tell me to do both. But I'm going to obviously assemble the other one. This is step 5 on the sheets. And like I said earlier, you're going to make sure that the end cap that's closed faces this, so you can put the bottom one facing the bar. Like that it's adjustable, although I'm wondering how flimsy this thing's going to be. Use the floor to push this thing down. So it's even. Now put it here, and as long as it matches up, you know it's correct. Like it's pushed all the way. Okay. Here we are. Alright, so that's not bad so far. As you can see, it has 2 bars, and then, see, it should slide freely to make sure it was assembled correctly. So we're going to put casters in each corner. I'm going to try to lock this in place so I can turn upside down. It's fairly light, so it's not bad. So I'm going to turn upside down to make it easier. See, and then each corner, you're going to put a caster in the little hole right here. You put 1 caster in each. Then it should be good to go. Go hit it with a hammer or something to make sure it's flat, but just pushing it in should be fine. You can do it on each of the 4 corners. Then it should be done. Alright, and then once you get all the casters done, you should be able to turn it upside down and test roll it. Doesn't seem terrible. And it's height adjustable, so you have the locks on the inside. Release them both, put it to the height you want. Well, that wasn't as terrible as I thought. I actually thought, because most Amazon things that you assemble or Walmart things, it's kind of sketch, but this wasn't too bad. I hope you enjoyed, and if you're having trouble assembling it, at least it makes sense because there's no color coding or letters on the bars. But I thank you for tuning into another JD channel video, and take care and have a wonderful day. Until next time.